Hi everyone, I'm here with a flip through. It's the Whispering Florals Junk Journal collection. And I can just kind of give you the run through to show you what's available in here. Let me give you a good close up so you can kind of see the detail and the colors within this kit. There's navies and creams and some reds and pinks and peaches. It's really a pretty combo. I really like it. So we have some tags and some pockets to go on. These could be a pocket or a layering piece. Tags, this is one, so if you want it to be a flip out tag, you can have that be a flap on the tag. Just up to you, or just cut it off if you don't need it. These are foldable, but you could cut them in half and just make that 2 tags and mount it on cardstock on the back. A journaling card, some fun little collage pieces. And now we have a bunch of papers from the collection. I'll just flip through these and show you the gist of it. But all of these collections, I think all of them, I might have created some extras just for the book, but they're mostly available online digitally in my Etsy shop. So if you prefer the digital, but I know I just get so many requests from people that ask if I can print things. And I don't feel like my printer is commercial grade to print them and sell them. But I feel like Amazon has done a really good job. So these are just some little bits of faux ephemera with the coordinating flowers on there. So you'll have everything you need right in this book to just chop up, mount, ink, sew, whatever you want to do with it, and just have a fun junk journal. These are really big pockets with some tags that can go in it and some layering. You could also cut that shorter if you want a shorter pocket and use that as another tag. There's so many options. I just don't want you to think just because it's shaped that way, you have to use it that way. Just little collage bits. These are some cute little corner pockets, and there's some coordinating strips. You could do a border, you could do a belly band with them, whatever floats your boat. And then I have a few more pages of tags because we go through a lot of tags. And these can be layered or whatever you want. So just a lot of fun options, and that is it for that book. But yeah, that's the preview. If you have any questions or anything, just let me know. And I hope you're having a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching. And we will talk more soon. Bye.